Yes. Yes, sir.
Yeah. Just wait, just wait. So
Yes, sir.
uh, I am sharing now. I am sharing my screen. Anna, see you.
Yes, sir.
When they join in this class, then again I will repeat all these things. Okay. Now
Yes, sir.
in previous class, uh, actually we are already discussed about special theory of relativity, gender. Sorry, frame of reference, inertial frame of reference. Okay, non-inertial frame of reference, uh, Michelson-Morley experiment, Galilean transformation equation, like this. But but today class we are discussing about postulates of special theory of relativity. है ना? On 20, just a minute. Hello. हाँ, ठीक है, ठीक ठीक बोले हूँ। क्लास खत्म होगा तभी ज्वाइन करना, ठीक है? आराम से, कोई दिक्कत नहीं। क्लास खत्म होगा तब ज्वाइन करो। ठीक ठीक। हेलो हेलो हेलो।
Yes,
यस।
sir.
हाँ,
Yes, sir.
एक्चुअल में वो कोई बच्चा फोन किया था, पुरस्ता सर बोले क्लास खत्म होगा उसके बाद ज्वाइन करो। ठीक ही बोले कि
जी, सर.
क्लास खत्म होगा उसके बाद ही जो है हम लोग जो है वो बच्चा लोग ज्वाइन करेंगे। ठीक है, तब तक हम लोग जो है उसका बारे में बात करते हैं, क्या बोलते हैं, where we about discuss about the internal exam, question of internal exam question. Okay. Hello.
टॉपिक बता दीजिए सर। यस सर।
Topic. Yes, yes, yes. First thing, in which topic we are giving given question. So first topic is laser. Laser is first topic. Another topic is quantum mechanics. Mechanics means module one. Module one is already I have teach module one. Manoj sir will teach module two, quantum mechanics uh, syllabus. Manoj sir will teach quantum module two. Means I think he had teach um, Heisenberg uncertainty.
रिलेटिविटी सर।
हाँ
थ्योरी ऑफ रिलेटिविटी।
हाँ।
रिलेट
Manoj sir had already teach de Broglie wavelength, and I think um, uh, I think क्या बोलते हैं उसको,
फेज वेलोसिटी सर।
अनसर्टेनिटी प्रिंसिपल, है ना? तो
यस सर।
मनोज सर which cover the topic, है ना? In his topic there is only one question or two questions will ask, है ना? He will ask, and I am asking I think 5 to 6 questions from quantum mechanics one, quantum mechanics module one. Um, Module one means I think in module one क्या क्या था उसमें बोलो तो, क्वांटम मैकेनिक्स में फोटो इलेक्ट्रिक इफेक्ट, है ना, रेले जीन्स इफेक्ट, लाइक दिस, इस तरह का जितना भी था, ठीक है, उसका बारे में हम लोग उससे हमारा क्वेश्चन है। फोटो इलेक्ट्रिक इफेक्ट में मेरा आ सकता है क्वेश्चन, स्टॉपिंग पोटेंशियल, है ना, stopping potential, threshold frequency, what is the definition of threshold frequency, और क्या था, फ्रैंक हज एक्सपेरिमेंट, फ्रैंक हज
कॉम्पटन इफेक्ट,
कॉम्पटन, हाँ कॉम्पटन इफेक्ट, कॉम्पटन
ब्लैक
इफेक्ट
बॉडी,
है ये, इससे क्वेश्चन आ सकता है।
ब्लैक
और
बॉडी सर,
है
ब्लैक बॉडी,
ब्लैक बॉडी रेडिएशन, हाँ स्टार्टिंग में ही ब्लैक बॉडी रेडिएशन है, उससे आ सकता है। ये हो गया उससे। और लेजर चैप्टर से हमारा क्वेश्चन आएगा, आएगा ही, आ सकता नहीं, ये सब आएगा ही। ये हमने जो 3 क्वेश्चन ये किया है वो लेजर चैप्टर से है। इन द लेजर चैप्टर you know about helium neon laser, ruby laser, so you remember all the construction work, uh, theory of means principle of helium neon laser, ruby laser, working condition of helium laser, construction and working condition of helium and neon laser, energy level diagram of both the lasers, and what is the difference between spontaneous stimulated emission, what is the full form of laser, and I think applications, what are the applications of laser, population inversion, optical pumping, है ना, these things are coming from this laser chapter. So you learn all these things. I think 22nd ना, 22nd को हमारा फिजिक्स है ना। हेलो हेलो
सर क्वेश्चन आप बनाइएगा या फिर मनोज सर?
नहीं, एक्चुअली क्वेश्चन आई एम सेटिंग द क्वेश्चन, है ना। हेलो
Yes,
हेलो
sir. Yes, sir.
आई एम सेटिंग द क्वेश्चन, ओके।
Sir, question numerical based रहेगा.
न्यूमेरिकल बेस्ड ही है, न्यूमेरिकल बेस्ड मैक्सिमम का लॉन्ग क्वेश्चंस आर कमिंग आर बेस्ड ऑन न्यूमेरिकल टाइप, न्यूमेरिकल टाइप। लॉन्ग क्वेश्चन जितना है सब न्यूमेरिकल रहेगा, ओके।
जी sir.
जितना भी हमारा जो क्लास किया क्वेश्चन टफ है, क्वेश्चन टफ है, इजी नहीं है। जो क्लास किया है ओनली they will attempt all these questions, okay. 5
Yes, sir.
question, 5 question is very hard. 5 to 6 questions are based on numerical.
टोटल कितना क्वेश्चन आएगा सर?
टोटल देखो अभी वो डिवाइड नहीं किए हैं, ठीक है। टोटल अभी तो हमारा 15-20 इसी रेंज में होना चाहिए, ठीक है। मार्क्स डिवाइड करेंगे, टोटल 20 मार्क्स का इंटरनल है ना, इंटरनल 20 मार्क्स। तो अब ऑब्जेक्टिव नहीं है ये, बोलने के लिए ऑब्जेक्टिव है, लेकिन पूरा अंदर का पार्ट जानना होगा। क्रोमियम आयन ruby laser is made by aluminum oxide, and how much percentage is included in with aluminum oxide? This type of question, I think yesterday I have told this type of question for CSE branch only. CSE branch class, I have given some examples related to first internal exam, and maximum number of candidates they asked all these things very good. तो इस तरह का क्वेश्चन आएगा, ये नहीं कि लेजर का फुल फॉर्म क्या है ना। जो पूरा उस पार्ट को जो पढ़ा होगा, मीन्स जो चैप्टर को पूरा पढ़ा होगा, क्लास जो अटेम्प्ट किया है, ओनली दे विल गिव आंसर ट्रू, अदरवाइज वही तुक्का मारने वाला बात हो जाएगा, है ना। और कुछ बोलो, क्वेश्चन कौन कौन सा चैप्टर करोगे? लेजर, लेजर, क्वांटम मैकेनिक्स, क्वांटम मैकेनिक्स, मॉड्यूल 1, मॉड्यूल 2 से डी ब्रॉगली एंड uncertainty principle, Heisenberg uncertainty principle. Only these two things are coming from module 2. And theory of relativity. Theory of relativity means Michelson-Morley experiment, frame of reference, inertial non-inertial frame of reference, Galilean transformation, fictitious force और pseudo force, है ना। ये यही सब चीज को जो है हम लोगों को क्वेश्चन को देख लेना है। इजी नहीं है, तो इतना इजी क्वेश्चन नहीं सेट किए इस बार। पहले पिछला साल जैसे था वैसे नहीं है। पिछला फर्स्ट सेमेस्टर में इन फर्स्ट सेमेस्टर वेरी इजी क्वेश्चंस आर I have asked like question, but in this same I have given I think not easy question. Numerical part are given in this internal exam. Numerical parts. If you have practiced the numerical part, then you have to solve all these questions. Otherwise, you only tick खाली तुक्का मारो जिसको बोल रहे हैं, उस तरह का बात आएगा। समझ में आ रहा है? हेलो यस
Yes, sir.
यस सर।
विनीत कुछ बोलना
Yes,
चाहते
sir.
हो?
Yes, sir, you are audible.
कुछ बोलना चाहते हो? मुस्कान
नो सर।
नो। ये सब पाठ को तैयार करो। प्रवीण सिंह कुंटिया, प्रवीण
Yes, sir.
प्रवीण
Yes, sir.
न्यूमेरिकल्स पाठ को रेडी करो।
Okay, sir.
तुम बहुत कम क्लास में अटेंड हुए हो।
सर वो टाइम आउट हो जाता था।
क्या बोले बताओ
क्लास
यार,
अटेंड
सबको ठीक आता है। देखो अभी आशुतोष तुम्हारे ही साथ ज्वाइन किया हुआ। आशुतोष एवरीडे ही इज इन माय क्लास एंड आई थिंक आशुतोष solve all these problems.
So actually I attend the class, but while making attendance, I go out of time. That's why in attendance it is showing question mark.
अरे अटेंडेंस हमारा कोई मायने नहीं रख रहा अभी।
Yes, sir, I attend the class, sir.
First you do class. If you attend
Yes,
in
sir,
your
I'm doing.
class, then क्या है कि कोई भी बात जब हम बोलेंगे तो याद रहेगा। अदरवाइज तुम
Yes, sir.
क्लास में भी नहीं आओगे। इफ आई विल प्रोवाइड यू नोट्स, लाइक सपोज आई विल गिव यू नोट्स, तो नोट्स याद करके तुम पूरा नहीं कर पाओगे जब तक मैटर, इफ यू डोंट थिंक अबाउट द फुल डिस्क्रिप्शन अबाउट द मैटर, है ना। जब तक मैटर
Yes,
के बारे में पूरा नहीं जानोगे तब तक नहीं हो पाएगा। रटने का चीज नहीं है। फिजिक्स इज नॉट इजी सब्जेक्ट। फिजिक्स अपने में ही ये भास्ट है, खुद अपने में भास्ट है, और हर तरह का अलग अलग फिजिक्स है। देखो लेजर इज अनदर टाइप ऑफ फिजिक्स, क्वांटम मैकेनिक्स इज वेरी वास्ट फिजिक्स, थियोरी ऑफ रिलेटिविटी इज अनदर टाइप ऑफ फिजिक्स। सब तो एक दूसरे से अलग अलग है। जब तक फिजिक्स में क्लास अटेंड नहीं करोगे तब तक नहीं हो पाएगा बाबू। देखो आज हमारा क्लास नहीं हुआ। क्यों नहीं हुआ? सुबह से हम ट्राई कर रहे थे, बच्चा हमसे कांटेक्ट किया, है ना, लेकिन मेरा यहाँ टावर का प्रॉब्लम था। टावर के चलते क्लास ही नहीं हो पा रहा था। बहुत देरी कोशिश की, लास्ट में फिर अभी आया है, तो फिर हम जो है 3:30 में लगभग आया है टावर में, तो फिर सेंड किया है। क्लास नहीं करोगे तो फिर बहुत प्रॉब्लम आ जाएगा इस तरह का। देखना, इस बार का क्वेश्चन देख के समझ में आ जाएगा कि फिजिक्स क्या चीज है। तो हम लोग अभी स्टार्ट कर रहे हैं और वो लोग जब ज्वाइन करेंगे तो देखा जाएगा, ठीक है। आशुतोष,
Okay, sir.
आशुतोष,
यस सर।
ठीक है, तो हम क्लास स्टार्ट कर रहे हैं अभी। हाँ, वो लोग आएगा तो फिर
ठीक
से,
सर।
ओके। So in this class, first thing is postulates of special theory of relativity. This is the most important thing of special theory of relativity. What are the postulates of special theory of relativity? There are two postulates of special theory of relativity. One is the fundamental laws of physics have the same form for all inertial systems. Fundamental laws of physics have the same form for all inertial systems. That is, for all reference systems at rest or moving with constant linear velocity relative to one another. First point is the special theory of relativity. Postulates of special theory of relativity is this. Now, second point is the velocity of light in vacuum is independent of the relative motion of the source and the observer. Second point, I will repeat, the velocity of light in vacuum is independent of the relative motion of the source and the observer. So these are the postulates of special theory of relativity. Now, what are the new transformation equations? So there are 3 points consist this new transformation equation. First is the speed of light. Speed of light must have the same value in every inertial frame. Speed of light must have the same value in every inertial frame. Second point is transformation must be linear and for low speed. V is very much smaller than c, means they approach Galilean transformation. Second point is transformation must linear and for low speed for V is very much less than C should approach the Galilean transformation. And last is new transformation equation should not be based on absolute time and absolute space. There are 3 points related to new transformation equation. Again, I will repeat. First point is the speed of light must have the same value in every inertial frame. Second, transformation must be linear and for low speed, V is very much less than C. Here, they should approach Galilean transformation. Now, new transformation equation should not based on absolute time and absolute space. And main important thing of this chapter is Lorentz transformation. I think yesterday I have teach for CSE branch this topic, Lorentz transformation. Again, I will repeat this Lorentz transformation, full part of the Lorentz transformation. कल क्या हुआ था, कुछ पार्ट बचा हुआ था, तो Lorentz transformation introducing transformation equation relating the observation of position and time made by the two observers is placed at origins O and O dash made by the two observers in two different inertial frames are known as Lorentz transformation equation. Again, I will repeat. Lorentz introduced transformation equation relates the observation of position and time made by two observers in two different inertial frames are known as Lorentz transformation equation. After the definition statement of Lorentz transformation, we are drawing these diagrams. In this diagram, here S and S dash are the two inertial frame of reference in which O and O dash are the origin of this two inertial frame of reference. Now X, Y, Z and T and X dash, Y dash, Z dash, T dash are the coordinates of this two inertial frame of reference. P is an event, P is a point in which an event is doing. Now X axis, here S dash moving, S dash inertial frame having uniform velocity relative to S. X axis, here X axis of these two systems coincides and velocity is parallel to, here velocity of this this S dash inertial frame of reference is parallel to X axis. X axis of these two systems are coincides and the velocity is parallel to X axis. The event P, here the event P is a light signal and is produced when both T and T dash are 0, means when the two frames origins of these two frames are coincides. The event P is determined by coordinates X, Y, Z, T and X dash, Y dash, Z dash, T dash by observers O and O dash. The event P is determined by coordinates X, Y, Z, T and X dash, Y dash, Z dash, T dash by these two observers O and O dash. The light pulse produced at T is equal to 0 means here O and O dash origins are coincides, so it will spread as a growing sphere, and the radius of the wavefront produced with speed c. So here X, we are talking about this S inertial frame of reference. X, Y, Z, T are the coordinates of event from observer in S frame, S system is supposed at rest condition. So equation of spherical surface, here we have written equation of spherical surface because T is equal to 0, then growing sphere and radius of wavefront produced with speed c. So when this S inertial frame of reference is on rest condition, then equation of spherical surface whose radius is growing with speed c is x square for S frame of reference, x square plus y square plus z square is equal to c square t square. C is the speed, or this part can be written as in the form of equation 1, mean x square plus y square plus z square minus, this plus sign will come in the left direction, so it will minus, it will change into minus. So here x square plus y square plus z square minus c square t square is equal to 1. This is equation 1. Similarly, we are talking about this as this inertial frame of reference. So in this inertial frame of reference, observer O dash, here observer O dash in system S dash having coordinates of P as x dash, y dash, z dash and t dash. So in this case, the equation of spherical surface can be written as here x dash square plus y dash square plus z dash square is equal to c square t dash square. This equation can be written in the form of equation 2. So here x square, we can write x square plus y square, x dash square plus y dash square plus z dash square minus c square t dash square equal to 0. Equation 2. This part can be written in this form. So combining this equation 1 and 2, we can write x square plus y square plus z square minus c square t square is equal to, means equation 1 is equal to here lambda into lambda is an undetermined constant. So lambda into x dash square plus y dash square plus z dash square minus c square t dash square. Now the velocity of S dash, look my cursor, the velocity of S dash is along the x-axis. The velocity of S dash is parallel to x-axis. Previously I have told that S dash frame of reference is moving with velocity v towards the x or x dash, parallel to x or x dash axis. So y dash, y is equal to y dash and z is equal to z dash. Here equation 3. If v is parallel to, velocity is parallel to x-axis, then from symmetry we can write y is equal to y dash and z is equal to z dash. From equation 1 and 2, here in place of, suppose according to equation 3, means putting the value of equation 3 in 1 or 2, so x square plus y dash square plus z dash square minus c square t square is equal to 0. So this part on after putting this value in equation 1 or 2, we are getting x square minus c square t square from equation 1. Rest part is this x square minus c square t square is equal to here lambda constant, undetermined constant here, and for this part only x dash square and minus c dash square will be the rest part. So this part can be written here, means x square minus c square t square is equal to lambda x dash square minus c square t dash square. Equation 4. Just wait. Now, if transformation equation relating to x and x dash axis, we know that transformation equation relating to x and x dash axis हम लोग जानते हैं x is equal to x minus vt. So x dash is equal to, according to this diagram, transformation equation relating to x and x dash is equal to gamma into x minus b into t. Equation 5. In equation 5, given, this y is being independent, gamma is being independent of x and t. In equation 5, gamma is being independent of x and t. Suppose the motion is relative. So we assume that this S inertial frame is moving relative to S dash. This S inertial frame moving relative to S dash with negative velocity minus v along the x-axis. So in that case, this equation 5 can be written in the form of x is equal to, here x is equal to gamma ये क्या हो जाएगा, x dash minus into minus upgrade. I am upgrading this link class, so you all join after completion of this class, you all join in the same link. हम अभी क्या स्टेटमेंट बोले हैं कि if we assume that this S inertial frame is moving relative to S dash with negative velocity. So in this case, here in place of in equation 5, in place of x dash, we can write x, here x, because we are talking about x inertial frame of reference. X is equal to gamma, this gamma, here in place of x we can write x dash, and as frame of reference is moving in anticlockwise with negative velocity, means minus, and here minus into minus plus v into t dash, equation 6. On putting the value of equation 5 in 6, equation 5 in 6, so x is equal to gamma, here gamma in place of in place of x dash 5 के इक्वेशन को वैल्यू को 6 में पुट कर रहे हैं, x dash, तो x dash का वैल्यू ये पार्ट है मेरा, गामा x minus v into t. So here equation 6, x is equal to gamma x dash, in place of x dash we can write gamma x minus vt. Here I have written gamma x minus vt plus v t dash, or t dash is equal to gamma. After solving this, we have got t dash is equal to gamma t minus x by v 1 minus 1 by gamma square. So this is equation 7. Again, on putting the value of equation 5, 7, here 7 in 4, in this equation 4, means value of x dash from equation 5 and value of y dash from 7 in this equation 4. So x square is minus, here look, equation 4, x square minus c square t square. So this part is written here, x square minus c square t square is equal to lambda. Here lambda I have written. Here in equation 4, here x dash square is given here. So the value of x dash is given in equation 5. So this part is written here, gamma x minus vt. So here x dash square means here we can write square, gamma square x minus Vt square minus, here minus, see minus, here minus c square t dash square. So c square, c square t dash, the value of t dash is given in equation 7. So this part can be written here. So here we can write c square gamma square, this part gamma. So here gamma square t minus x into b, 1 minus 1 by gamma whole square, because here t dash square is required. So the value of t dash is given in equation 7. So equation 7 can be written here, and its power is square. So x square minus c square t square minus, this part is coming into left direction. So lambda gamma square, here x minus Vt. X minus Vt means a minus b whole square. A square minus 2ab, 2 into a is x, b is Vt, 2ab plus b square means b square t square minus on solving this we are getting this part here is equal to 0. Again solving this equation, x square minus c square t square minus lambda gamma square, this part x square minus 2bx t plus b square t square plus lambda c square gamma square. Here this this part is whole square na, so here t square minus a minus b whole suppose t is a and this part is b, so a minus b whole square, so a square minus b square, sorry 2ab plus b square is equal to 0. इसको हम सॉल्व कर रहे हैं तो क्या आ जाएगा, t square minus 2ab, so 2a is t, b is x divided by v into this part 1 minus 1 by gamma square plus b square. B square means here x square, this part is b, so x square by b square, 1 minus 1 by gamma to the power 4, here this part is equal to 0. Equation 8. So the coefficient of various powers of x and t must vanish. So equating coefficient of x square to 0. After complete of this equation 8, we are writing in a line the coefficient of various powers of x and t are vanishes separately. So equating coefficient of x square to 0, we have 1 minus here this part 1 x square minus c square t square, this part is vanished, means 1 minus lambda gamma square plus c square y square divided by b square. After solving this, we are getting 1 minus 1 by gamma square is equal to 0. Again here 1 minus lambda gamma square plus this part lambda c square gamma square divided by b square into here this part is a minus b whole square, a minus 2ab plus b square. So a is 1, so 1 minus 2ab, so 2 into 1 into 1 by gamma square, so 2 divided by gamma square plus b square. B square means 1 by gamma to the power 4 is equal to 0. Now 1 minus lambda gamma square plus lambda c square divided by b square, here gamma square into 1 gamma square minus 2 into gamma square divided by gamma square. So gamma square will cancel. Rest part is 2 plus gamma square divided by gamma to the power 4. Means here rest part is gamma square is equal to 0. Equation 9. Equating coefficient of x2 is equal to 0. First we have equating coefficient of x square is equal to 0. Then we are getting equation 9. Again equating coefficient of xt is equal to 0. So in this case here this part, from this part we can write alpha 2 gamma square b plus alpha c square b square, this part we can write here. So 2 gamma square b minus 2c, on solving this part we are getting here this part. If we draw LCM and solve this equation, we are getting b square minus c square gamma square plus c square is equal to 0. ये जैसे अभी हमारा इक्वेटिंग कोएफिशिएंट ऑफ एक्स स्क्वायर इक्वल टू 0 की है, इक्वेटिंग कोएफिशिएंट ऑफ एक्स टी इक्वल टू 0. सिमिलरली वी आर डूइंग कोएफिशिएंट ऑफ टी स्क्वायर इक्वल टू 0. तो इस इक्वेशन से, इक्वेशन 8 से हम लोग का ये इक्वेशन मिलेगा माइनस सी स्क्वायर माइनस